And the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. Cardano right now 17.85% in green on a Sunday. Something is not right, guys. Some shady business going on when we have a green Sunday, you know, just so you know that. But it looks very nice, it looks very good. All moving averages are not up here. You can see here that we have actually gone back above the 10 and the 50 moving average. Right about here we crossed the 10 and 50 moving average, but right now we are hitting this resistance at 20. You can see that resistance at 20 was rejected once. Technically it was rejected here as well. When it fell down we went up and then we got rejected. So this is the first rejection, this is the second rejection, and now we are going to test it for the third time. So you know, it's kind of important that we break eventually the 20 moving average if we want to go to the upside. So the resistance right now lies right over here at around 172, and we gotta get above the 172 if we want to be bullish. So we're gonna see what's happening there. Let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's up with this over here happening right now. Yesterday we were I don't know where this line comes from, 140, probably some kind of 4-hourly moving average, but we had 3 supports yesterday. If you remember, 131, we didn't want to cross 131. It would have been bad if we did that, but you can see here that we held the 100 moving average 2 times, on both of the weeks. 100 moving average held and we bounced off the 100 moving average. We also had the support at 190 and less support at 105. So we're gonna keep these supports over here, because if something should happen and we're gonna start tumbling down, these supports are really important to hold. That said, we also created another support up here right now with this move to the upside around 140. So that's also going to be interesting to see how that plays out. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hourly time frame over here. Not much. Let's go into this daily time frame, and if we can just put up my indicators up here, we'll see that there is no divergence happening right now on the daily chart. Now on Bitcoin chart there is actually double divergence here. Here there are no divergences. The price and the RSI is playing as they should be playing. But on the Bitcoin there is divergence where the RSI is going 2 times up and the price is going 2 times down. So that's divergences right now what's actually pulling entire market to the upside. And right now we broke the 10 and 50 moving average, so we want to hold these levels at least for today. If we can hold above here, then maybe tomorrow we can even try to break the 20 moving average again. So this might actually be quite a bullish signal right now. Also the fact that we are holding 100 moving average on the daily chart is actually quite a good signal. So I thought, but like always, everything depends on what Bitcoin is gonna do. So we are gonna still keep on monitoring the Bitcoin and seeing how that plays out. Let's go down to the 4-hourly chart, remove some of the moving averages because it's the chart is a mess right now, and try to see if we can pull out any kind of interesting line over here. I think this line is actually a lot more interesting. You can see here that we are right now hitting some kind of resistance at the top around 172, 169 or something like that. We are getting pretty close to this diagonal resistance line that's been holding us for forever, right? So you know, eventually if you want to be bullish we have to cross that. If not, if we cannot cross over the here, then some kind of more down move will happen. That said, I don't know if I want to say that this is some kind of a triangle, but it is quite nice because this week and this week and these weeks are actually confirming this triangle. So right now on the downside we have 3 hits, 1, 2, 3 hits, and upside 1, 2, and maybe this is a 3rd hit on the upside. So right now this triangle is actually confirmed, and I'm just wondering what's going to happen in the rest of the triangle. Are we going to go to the downside or to the upside? And you know, when it comes to tech analysis, it's really hard to say where the price is going to go. There's a lot of bearishness going on in market right now, but everybody wants the prices to go up, right? So that said, there is incentive to push the price to the upside as well, because there's, you know, people, you know, the price have been dropping quite steadily for a long time, and I think people are looking for some kind of relief move to the upside, bigger move to the upside, especially on Bitcoin and Ethereum, not necessarily on Cardano, because Cardano technically right now is only down by 30% or something like that from the all-time high, and that's not actually that much of a deal. So we are actually moving towards the upside, but we are not in the clear yet until we break this resistance up here. And you can see that the resistance is pretty severe right now. Right now over here is also on the 4 hourly. There is a 100 moving average also at the very top up here. So whether we're gonna do that or not, it kind of depends. The good thing is that these other moving averages are right below us. So once they start picking up the speed and coming towards us, they might actually give us enough support to break to the upside. So I'm looking for this 172 line. I'm looking for this target to be broken. I'm looking to get above here to be super bullish on Cardano, and it looks like it might actually do that. So we're gonna just wait and see what's happened, because this is 1, 2, third hit on the top, 1, 2, third hit on the bottom. The triangles pretty much all set. Now the triangles are actually continuation patterns, so when we go something like this, you know, it should continue to the downside, but these can also, of course, if there's enough bullishness, break to the upside, even though they are coming from the downside. So they might also be acting as some kind of reverse pattern, but usually it's a continuation pattern and it's continuous to the downside. So keep that in mind. Keep in mind that we might get rejected here. I don't know if it's going to happen today, but today we are already up 70%. If we are up all the way up like something like 21-22%, I think today. So you know, take your precautions. Don't do anything too rash right now. It's not actually the time to get in on anything. At least wait. You can see here even the 20 moving average is right up here at the very same point in time. So there is a huge amount, huge, I don't know how to tell you, huge amount of resistance right over here. And if we cannot break this over here level, then we're gonna definitely drop towards downside. So what I'm looking for is some kind of help from Bitcoin that can help us push the price over here, because if Bitcoin right now just does 3% today and 3% tomorrow and 3% the day after, the Cardano and everything else will actually break some very important resistances to the upside, and we're gonna see how that plays out. But it is more bullish. Cardano is definitely more bullish than a lot of other stuff. I see on my watch list here on TradingView, there are not a lot of coins that are up like above 10%, and only few coins are above like 15, 16, 70% and stuff like that. Most coins are sitting around 5%, give or take, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. So the fact that we are all the way up here, 70% up today, bounced off a 100 moving average, it gives me confidence that if Bitcoin is done dumping, that this is gonna fly. And it also gives me very big confidence that once Bitcoin hits some kind of bottom, whether that's now or at 28 or 25,000, Cardano is going to perform very well, because I don't know, when things pumping, Cardano is pumping too, like really a lot, and when things dumping, it's not dumping that much as everything else. So that shows me that the bullishness is there, but we have to break the most important resistance right now. That's a 172, and once we break that, if we can close up above here today somewhere, like that's gonna be super bullish. We don't want to have another one of these break and back, so we have to break it and we have to hold it for one more day above the resistances, right? But you don't want to go up there today and then right back down tomorrow, because that's also a rejection. Just like over here is a rejection, or over here that's a rejection. This is also a support holding, right? So you don't want to have these two candles right after each other where it goes right back again. So we have to break today, and tomorrow we have to hold it above there, and once that's done, like, you know, sky is the limit, or the moon is the limit, or Mars, wherever you want to go, you know. Pick your target and jump on the rocket. That said, come back tomorrow. We're gonna see how Cardano is performing. Did it do well today? Did it not do well today? But right now it looks like we are hitting some kind of top. And you know what I say, you know, buy support, sell resistances. So don't buy resistance and sell support, you know, the way a lot of people are doing it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you stopping by my channel. I appreciate you watching my videos. Hit the like button on the way out, as always, and take care. Bye bye.